If you find difficulty in solving two or more decimal numbers, well, there is an efficient way or efficient method to find the answer. For example, if you have 7.6, yeah, and then as you can see there is 2.4. So when you add them together, you can make 10. So 7.6 plus 2.4 is equal to 10. And all you have to do is just add the remaining decimal number, which is 3.89. So when you add 3.89 plus 10, you will get 13.89. Okay? So another example, if you have 3.71 plus 12.25 plus 0.75, look at the last two decimal numbers. 12.25 plus 0.75. When you add them together, this is equal to 13. And then just add the remaining decimal number, which is 3.71. So you add that together, you will get 16.71. Okay, that's all. Bye.